absolutely stunningly beautiful out here. I'm at the Salt Creek Campground. Also connects part with Shasta Lake. Lake Shasta here in California. I'll put a map up here to give you an idea for where I'm at relative to California and maybe the rest of the country and stuff like that. I have been in that water 3 times since I've been here. And I don't know how it is. That's the warmest body of water I've ever been in any place in the entire country in 6 years on YouTube. That water is physically warm, like it's heated. Oh, that I'll also mention, it's 103 degrees today here in California at 3,500 feet. Yeah, and I've been here before. I was here exactly a year and a half ago. 18 months ago, I brought Yoda to this very spot, and it snowed on us. And they closed down the Siskiyou Pass. I couldn't get back home. I was stranded here in the snow. And now 103 degrees. Heat wave. They're calling it an excessive heat wave. It's a heat wave for this area this time of year. It doesn't usually stay this hot this late. So it is a little unusual. I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad I can dunk in that water whenever I want, get on the inner tube. I do have to run the air conditioner for Jax because I can't have an uncomfortable kitty in there. Can't do that. And I've had this little spot all to myself. This is just a gorgeous area of California. It's $11 a night to stay here April 15th to September 15th. After September 15th, it's free to stay here. The reason they do that is because I guess they provide a trash can and a porta potty on season up there. So you're paying for that. It's just flippin' gorgeous. And I also, you may have noticed, or maybe you didn't notice, but this bridge is kind of famous. I'm 99% sure this is the same shot from the intro of the Netflix show Murder Mountain here, which is filmed here in California. There are a lot that are shaped exactly alike, I guess, but just the terrain and the way it all curves and everything, I'm pretty sure this is exactly where that intro was filmed. That's a really good miniseries on Netflix, by the way. It's a pretty good little miniseries. I enjoyed it. They are saying it's going to stay this warm for a couple more days, so I may stay out here a couple days. Not quite sure. I have the whole place to myself, so maybe that's the part I really like. It's peaceful. And it's pretty, for California, this is pretty nice for California. See, this could be us, Jax, but you don't like motorcycles, or wind, or engines, or water. Well, you'd never go for this, huh? Look, you could be king up here. Yeah, see? And then we could just ride like this. Wouldn't that be fun? I'll just get a little seatbelt. Okay, I'll start it up, okay? Ready? He really doesn't like it. The bicycle, yeah. Motorcycle, not so much. And the water, no. Definitely no water. The water. No. Doesn't know. Alright, man. So what do you like? Kibbles, treats, food, catnaps, everything. You're right, man. Alright, man, you ain't right, but you ain't wrong either. Oh my gosh, that water is so warm. Oh, man. Let's go deeper here. Oh, have you guys ever seen this tattoo? I don't know if I've ever been shirtless before. Yeah, I've got 3 Simpsons tattoos total. 3 Simpsons tattoos. This was like, geez, 13, 14 years ago, actually. I still love The Simpsons. I stopped getting Simpsons tattoos. I got my Beavis and Butthead on my back calves, but no, I kind of gave up putting Simpsons ink on me. Oh, man, that water! Woo! Shasta Lake! Yeah! Oh, I felt something in my pocket. Thought it was my phone. It's a cold, well, it's a warm beer now. Cheers, guys. Oh, it's delicious. You wouldn't like it. You know what I think I'm most excited about for the end of 2019, though, really? Is the idea of chasing the good weather so that I can continue this summer with good weather, solar, you know, for the RV. I need it, you know, to be able to power everything in the RV. And really just to, I mean, here in California, it is much, much, much hotter, by 30 degrees than it was all summer in Washington State. And now that all the kids are going back to school, everything's just kind of wide open, you know? It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. I don't mean to brag in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable or anything, because I'm still gonna share it with you. Just pretend like you're right here with me, right here, right? We're just sitting here in the river, in the lake, having a beer together. There are a couple really good dispersed campsites here at Salt Creek. This one's really good. There was a clearance issue. That's why I couldn't get over this little hump, that little dip right there. I wouldn't have made it, but some other higher vehicles may make it. And then once you get out here, you have your own little private island jetty out to the water over here. And there's my RV across the way over there. But I will certainly miss this place, and I'm gonna put something over here. Those are GPS coordinates, guys, so you can grab those, write them down, and pause it, or they'll be in the video description also. You can copy and paste that, put it into your navigation of choice, like Google Maps or Waze or whatever, and you can come here and experience this place as well, because I want to share it with you. It's an approved campground. Don't abuse the rules and everything. And, oh, wow, there's people showing up behind me. I was gonna say, this place is really quiet, and I've had it to myself the entire time, and as I'm getting ready to leave, some people are coming out to use the boat out here. So they've got a bunch of places you can take your boat and whiz around here, but there is a no wake zone here in front of Salt Creek Campground. So anyways, I really, really like this place, and I'm running the generator over there for air conditioning and to recharge the batteries. In this situation right now, I gotta fire it up twice. I can run the air conditioner off solar for 5 hours to start the day, and then I gotta run the generator for about 2 or 3 hours to replenish the batteries, and then we'll finish the night with, again, going off of solar with the AC, and then I gotta top them off before I go to bed. That's the case right now, and the main reason why that is because I just don't have enough amp hours of storage. I have 300 amp hours of lithium storage and 1280 watts. And I find myself needing some more amp hours. And that'll be your number one hint to what some of my plans here are very, very soon. Gonna have to change that. Just gonna have to. I don't like having to run that generator. It's obnoxious, you know? It's funny also, I was not gonna film out here. This is gonna be my 2-day little vacation with no camera, and I just cannot help it. I'm such a creative person. I don't just wanna sit around. It's like I'm always looking for a way to capture something, and sitting around here and enjoying the water. I just saw a chance to share it with you anyway, so I did. Now I gotta edit it all. That means I gotta work. Take care, guys. Jackson and I will see you in a few days back on the road in California. Bye, guys. Okay, why is it just warm right here where I'm at? That ain't right. That ain't right.
You know they put a chemical in the pool that turns urine blue.
No. It's an old wives' tale, sweetie. It's an old wives' tale.